Hi, my name is Kachiko Michael Esanwa, and I'm here to give you weekly updates on our learning so far on Web3bridge cohort 11.
One valuable experience I've gotten is meeting like those that are seniors, me, that I learn new things from them, different people from different society, that we are not related, like meeting them, connecting with them, knowing about different things and about technology.
The environment is comfortable, the ACs, the meals are prepared on time, the rations are decent, the beds are comfortable, toilets are neat, we have internet, and it's a really comfortable place. I think the facilities are lovely.
Because most of the times we have new content to read. That's on this side, but outside you have work, you have sprints to meet up, you have meetings, which clashes with our classes on here. It hasn't been easy, but knowing the value that this program brings, I have to prioritize it more than what I already have for now.
What is the EVM virtual machine? An EVM is a decentralized virtual computer that operates as a real-time environment for executing the smart contracts on the blockchain network, on the Ethereum network. It ensures that the code is executed in a deterministic way. How the EVM works, it can be divided into 4 parts. The first part being smart contract deployment, which is a state where the developer deployed different smart contracts to the Ethereum network. The second part is transaction execution, which is where users interact with smart contracts by sending transactions. The third part being the EVM execution. This is where the Ethereum virtual machine interacts with a smart contract by transaction, which is the input. Then the final stage is state updates, when the Ethereum state is being updated with the new information that has been executed by the smart contract.
Some of the key features of this Ethereum virtual machine is that it's Turing complete, meaning that it can theoretically compute any type of computation, and then it's isolated, it's in a sandboxed environment, and so it's difficult for bugs to get on the blockchain as a whole, because each and every one of those transactions are running on a particular node per time, and state updates are frequent. The blockchain, each node have to come into consensus for the state of the blockchain is being updated. And so it's been an interesting experience learning about the Ethereum virtual machines and all of that, and we generally are looking forward to learning more.